Let's consider how you go about listening to a waveform that you've already created. And probably the easiest way to do this requires use of the ExpressVI called Play Waveform. Let's try testing the device. When you hear the tone, that tells you that your sound card is properly configured. Now, to get some waveform that we can listen to, let's just do a real simple one based on the sinusoid. And this particular sub-VI, I'm going to do some operations prior to using this sub-VI, so that way I can specify the duration of my sound. I can specify its frequency in hertz. I can specify the sampling frequency, also in hertz. Let's get these controls tidied up just a bit. And let's take a look at the terminals on this device. All right, so duration in seconds, if we multiplied samples per second, that would be our sampling frequency, times duration in seconds, then that gives us the total number of samples that we need. And I'll attach that here. Amplitude, I'll create a constant for that one and set that to a number. It needs to be between 0 and 1. I'll just pick 0.8. Frequency is considered as normalized frequency, and so that means the desired frequency divided by sampling frequency. We'll connect that to the frequency terminal. So I'll set this up for a duration of 0.2 of a second. We'll use 440 hertz, and I'll use the typical CD sampling frequency of 44.1 kilohertz. Now, when we connect that directly to Play Waveform, we see an automatic conversion from the 1D data type to so-called dynamic data type, and we can pick which of these data types to use. Unfortunately, we see a complaint here. And if we look carefully at the name, it says Play Waveform. So if we can convert our 1D array into the actual waveform data type, that will provide all the information that the ExpressVI actually needs. The DT is our sampling interval, so that would be the reciprocal of our sampling frequency. Let's get rid of that one. So now we've actually created what's referred to as the waveform data type. Let's give that one a try. All right, that was our 440 hertz at 0.2 of a second. Try a different frequency. All right, that works. So again, this is a pretty simple technique for just converting a 1D array to a waveform. And once we have that waveform, we can easily listen to it using the Play Waveform ExpressVI.